Welcome, viewer. Today, we bring you the latest updates and insights from around the world. North Korea's Supreme Leader Kim Jong Un recently oversaw tests of new, suicide drones that successfully destroyed targets, including a mock tank. These drones were tested at the Drone Institute of North Korea's Academy of Defense Sciences, where Kim viewed demonstrations of their capabilities. The drones were able to identify and destroy designated targets while flying along preset routes. Kim called for increased production of these drones for use in tactical infantry and special operations units, as well as for strategic reconnaissance and multipurpose attacks. The drones utilize a built-in warhead and can remain aloft and ready to strike before a specific target is located. This technology allows for faster reaction times against hidden targets without placing high-value platforms near the target area. The unveiling of these drones marks the first time South Korea has seen this type of weapon system from North Korea. When compared to similar Russian and Iranian designs, South Korean officials noted visual similarities and expressed a need for further analysis to determine potential improvements in performance through previous exchanges between North Korea and Russia. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.